This is my very, very favorite gardening channel. Please go check it out and see what you think. They don't need my help. They have 500,000 subs. But I just wanted to share with you my favorite channel. Today I want to share one of my favorite channels. I've been watching them for 5 or 6 years, maybe even a little longer, I don't know. And this is called Root and Refuge Farm. And this is a great story of sticking to it, even when things got hard. And they redid things a couple times because in the beginning they weren't really committed. Eventually they really committed to their channel and it has taken off. They have 500,000 subs now. This did not happen overnight. They are a great channel. And I'm not saying if you're really committed, you're going to always do as well as them. They work very, very hard on their channel. And it's a wonderful channel if you could go back and watch what they were doing 4 and 5 years ago and now what they're doing. It gives you hope, and not so much just to have a big channel. I think it's to give hope for the family. This is a family video, a family channel, and it shows that keeping the family together is the most important thing in life. And I really, really enjoy this channel. If you give them a chance, go check them out. Now, I know not all of you like gardening channels. I, of course, do love gardening channels. And this is what my channel was in the very beginning, was gardening. And this is the kind of channels that I really, really enjoy watching, and I still watch. I watch this channel every week. Not because they've ever, now keep this in mind, never have they ever responded to me and said, oh, what a great job you're doing on your channel. Nothing. Because even when I first started watching their channel, they probably had 25, 30,000 followers. They didn't have time for someone like me that had 20 people. But I kept watching them because I really love this channel. I didn't love them because they're helping me. I love it because I love it. And that's why they have 500,000 followers now. And I think you might enjoy it if you like anything at all to do with gardening. I try to watch them at least 2 to 3 times a week. And they put up something almost every single day about their place. So think about if you like a good gardening channel, go check them out. See what they offer. You may not like it. It may have nothing to do with what you like. Or you may just like it to see all the love and enthusiasm they put together in their videos, their family, their farm, and the struggles, and they're honest about failures, and they're honest about everything. And that means a lot to me too. Some of these people make it look so easy, and you get very discouraged when you can't do what they do. I watch quite a few videos that have nothing to do with anything I do, or things I'm never going to do. I'm never going to live on a farm, never going to live out in the country. I'm a city girl. I live right in town. I have a little tiny house and a little piece of land, but it's mine. But I still enjoy watching the great outdoors, watching videos about traveling and a lot of different varieties. And I just wanted to share with you this wonderful channel. And you'll see after you watch a few of their videos why they have 500,000 subs. They're an awesome channel. I told my grandson once how much I love this channel, and he thought I was crazy. I said, well, I like it. But we all watch things that maybe have nothing to do with our lives. I've never lived on a farm, and I'm never going to live on a farm. But this is a really great channel. As you can see, 14 hours ago it got put up. They have 37,736 views. Wonder why? Go find out. They're really a great channel. And so the point I'm making, we all need to get inspiration from great channels like this. Maybe a channel like this wouldn't inspire you, but it inspires me. And because I do so many things that really, I'm not saying I dislike them, but my real love is gardening and to be outside, not in the house. So it really helps me a lot to stay grounded and keep thinking of new things. Now, most of the stuff they do, I am never going to do on my channel. For one thing, I have a little tiny piece of land. They got lots of acreage there. But that doesn't mean I still don't like it. So give them a try and see what you think of them. I'm sorry I sound so bad. I've been really sick. So I probably am not going to have too many videos put up for the next few days. I just wanted to give a big shout out to this channel because they're such an awesome channel, and to let everybody know that here they made 500,000 subs and they shared it with us today. And I wanted you to join in with the joy of their channel. Doesn't mean you need to go out and do a channel like theirs, but to give you hope that there are great channels and see what makes them great. They make them great not because of even so much what they do. It's the way they are, their personalities come across so well on this screen. And they're just stay focused on their channel every day. But they stay focused as a family together, working it together. And they don't do silly stuff. It's basically working a farm. And how hard it can be in the trials and tribulations of it. But it's still an honest channel. And they have so many great friends that pop in that you're going to see from time to time that have channels too, with the same kind of theme. But I really love it. Go over there and give them a chance. You don't have to join, you don't have to watch their videos, just to see what a 500,000 sub channel looks like. And you know this didn't happen overnight, and they put a lot of work and time into their channel. Most channels do not happen overnight. They take years of struggle to build, and this isn't even their first channel. They'll tell you in the video. Give it a chance. Go see what they're like. See why they've done so well.